It is really my pleasure to be invited to moderate this particular session at this meeting. I was given the opportunity to tell you a little bit about the Women in Transplantation. This initiative also has a birthday this year. It's 10 years old. This initiative was started by Catherine Wood, as I said, 10 years ago, with the idea in mind to promote the career development of women in transplantation. And this is the mission and vision of Women in Transplantation. And I wanted to just tell you a little bit about where we are today with our mission and where we think we're going in the future. And I do want to say that One Lambda and Thermo Fisher have been an important supporter of the Women in Transplantation initiative, and we thank them very much for their support throughout the years and look forward to continuing our partnership with them. So the mission of Women in Transplantation is to advance and inspire women, transplant professionals, and champion issues of sex and gender in transplantation. Yes, I did just say that, to champion issues of sex and gender in transplantation. A couple of years ago, we had a refresh of our strategic plan. And in addition to inspiring women and helping them to achieve their goals, we recognized the importance of this area in science and medicine that was not being addressed in the field of transplantation. And so we felt this was an important mission that women in transplantation could provide leadership in. Our vision, and this is an audacious big goal, is worldwide gender equity and inclusiveness in transplantation. So we'd like to see us in the future, both at the research level as well as at the level of treating patients and transplanting patients and donors for equity. Our guiding principles are listed here. Achieving global diversity in reach, access, and participation is essential for us to achieve our mission. We operate as an independent initiative open to collaboration and partnerships across professional societies and associations who share our mission and goals. And that includes One Lambda, who clearly shares the vision and mission of Women in Transplantation, and we look forward, as I said, to continue to work with them. Advocacy, education, engagement, and connection across genders, cultures, and professional domains in the field of transplantation are critical to our success and impact. These are some of our strategic pillars and goals. Pillar 1 is to advance and inspire women transplant professionals, and number 2 is championing issues of sex and gender in transplantation. So I invite all of you to join the Women in Transplantation. We are not gender specific. We would like both men and women to join in this initiative to advance, again, careers as well as the issues of sex and gender in transplantation. And again, I would like to thank One Lambda for their continued support of Women in Transplantation, and we look forward to a fruitful and productive future working with you.